In this video, we will provide the solution to the question given to us. So we have that integrate sine x multiplied by cos squared x dx. So we have that the integral of sine x multiplied by cos squared x and then dx. Now, if you look at this integral, this is a trigonometric integral involving products of power of sine and cosine. So at this point, we have sine x. So therefore, we can say that let u be equal to cos x. Because if we differentiate u with respect to x, this will be equal to negative sine x. And therefore, dx can now be written as du divided by negative sine x. So we can now substitute these values into the integrand. So we have that the integral of sine x multiplied. We now say that let u be equal to cos x. So we have u squared multiplied. The x is now given as du divided by minus sine x. So we have du divided by minus sine x. So at this point, sine will cancel out and we'll be left with negative, and then we have integral of u squared du. So at this point, we can integrate. This becomes negative. Open a bracket. We have u to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c. So therefore, this becomes minus u to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c. But recall that we said that u is equal to cos x. So therefore, this now becomes negative cos cube of x divided by 3 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the question given to us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us with a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.